Alrighty, we are going to do an example of adding mixed fractions algebraically, so without the use of a visual, like a bar model or a pie chart. So we are going to give our answer in simplest form when we're all done. So I've got 3 and 1/6 plus 1 and 11/12. Now what else do you notice other than the fact that they are mixed fractions? They are also unlike fractions because they have different denominators. So we need to resolve that. We need to put them over the same denominator. So what's something that appears on both the times table of 6 and 12? Super easy. 12. So let's use 12 as our common denominator. So what I have to do is I have to take each of my fractions and multiply or divide them in order to get my common denominator. So I'm going to look at my 6. What can I multiply 6 by in order to get 12? I can multiply by 2. Now whatever I do to the bottom of a fraction, I have to do to the top of that same fraction. Now 12, do I need to multiply 12 by anything to get 12? Well, no. I mean, I could multiply by 1, but that's redundant. So now we've got a new question, so let's rewrite after multiplying these together. So this is going to be 3, and then my new fraction here is 1 times 2 is 2 over 6 times 2 is 12. So my new fraction is 3 and 2/12 plus 1 and 11/12. Okay. Now let's combine our wholes. So we've got 4 and 2/12 plus 11/12. Now let's combine our parts. 2 plus 11 is 13, 13 over 12. Now 13 over 12, this of course, is not in simplest form because 13 over 12, that's 1 whole, 12 over 12, with an extra 1. So that's 1 whole and 1/12. So now I've got 4 plus 1 whole and 1/12. This 13 over 12 has become 1 whole and 1/12. Now I can combine those. So equals 5 and 1 over 12. Now, of course, this step here is not necessary to write down. This is so that you can see all the steps that go into it. You might look at this and be like, okay, this is 1 whole and 1/12, so that would make 5 wholes and 1/12, and skip right to there. That is perfectly okay. But this intermediate step is so that you can see exactly what's going on and how we get to simplest form. And there is our final answer in simplest form, 5 and 1/12.